Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos instantly and easily in 2025. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and then you have to visit the website youtube.com, and then you will see an interface like this. Normally, select the video that you want to download. For example, I want to download this one, so I'm going to click on it and then you will see an interface like this one. And here you will get a button here, download. If you don't see any kind of button like this, normally you have to click on this three-dot horizontal line and then you will see an option to download the video. Normally click on this and here you can download the video in a standard size in free with low version also. On the other hand, if you want to download it with a full HD or high quality, then you have to purchase the premium version of YouTube. So I'm going to download the standard one. So I'm clicking this download button. And normally don't refresh the page to complete the downloading process. So here you can see that I have downloaded the video. So if I want to view this, normally click on this top left vertical line bar. And here if you scroll down a bit, you will get an option downloads. Select it. And here is the video. You can view this video even in offline from now. So this is all about today's video, how you can download YouTube videos easily. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.